Hi, Spy Ninjas! In the last video, I followed the pizza girl, Chad followed the Skittles girl, and Daniel followed the private investigator.
We think we know who PZ4 is. I think I know who it is.
Yeah, we're gonna tell you guys right now.
Oh shoot! What? There's a hacker! He's coming! Okay. Yeah, gotta go! Go! Guys! This way! There's a bridge! Come on, jump on it! Yes! You lose him? Oh. Lost him. Yeah, he doesn't know where I'm here. Okay. Lost him. Oh, shoot, get out. He's coming back. Can you jump down? Oh, he's right there. Look at that.
He's not gonna crawl under, is he?
I hope not. Yeah, get out of here. This way. I think we lost him.
All right,
As
guys.
we were saying, PZ4, you know who it is now, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
So,
let's get our clues out.
all right.
Put 'em on.
All right, guys, I got this yellow note here.
Wait, I got a yellow note right here.
You did?
Yeah.
I got a yellow note too.
Mine was in a skills box, so it was definitely the skills girl.
There was a hacker and he dropped it. It fell out of his pocket and I picked it up.
What's the chances that all three of the people we were following had a similar yellow note?
Oh shoot.
Oh, shoot.
Chad,
Ah!
Chad, hacker.
Go!
Go. He's coming. Oh, go.
It's coming.
Go.
Oh shoot, I dropped the yellow.
Oh, no. Chad, watch out. Just go. Gosh.
I dropped the yellow clues.
Oh no.
Let's get away from him.
Yeah.
So we can look at the rest of our clues. I think we lost them. Okay.
Shoot, you dropped the nose, Chad.
Dang. I think we still have the rest of our clues though, right?
Yeah,
yeah.
but we need to figure out what those say.
The Spy Ninjas already figured out the key, guys. Key equals 3.
Nice. What did all those pieces of paper say?
The Spy Ninjas told me that it equals green triangle.
Green triangle. Wait a second. The yellow note. I found it inside of a skills box. I didn't even see it on this side right here. Check it out. There's a green triangle, a bunch of numbers written inside of it.
Oh.
I think I got some messages about like a triangle on my receipt right here. There's also like a green like rectangle, but then there's also a green triangle right here.
What the heck?
Wow.
That's extra weird because remember this,
What'd you
Chad?
get?
Remember the wanted poster?
Yeah.
I didn't realize, but if you flip it on the back, there's a bunch
Whoa.
of shape, and there's a green triangle too.
Mine has like a bunch of numbers on it.
Is it the same exact number?
Is it 36.315420?
Yep.
Whoa.
Same thing on all of them. Okay, so we should type this in to a computer and see what comes up. We can Google search it.
All right, they're coordinates, you guys. They're coordinates.
Okay, V. Well, let's jump in the DeLorean. Daniel, you have to take the scooter.
Okay, no problem. Yeah,
So
I'll
only
be a little bit later.
Yeah, only 2 people can fit. We'll meet you there. Okay. All right. Close the door. There you go. Let's get this thing started.
Oh yeah.
Seatbelts, sweetie.
Seatbelts.
I don't start driving until seatbelts are buckled. Here we go. Is PZ4 putting these coordinates on all these clues for Daniel? Why was she doing that? What was her plan? Huh, V, this place looks really familiar. Remember that abandoned town that we went to? That had all those abandoned trucks and abandoned cars?
Yeah.
This looks pretty similar to that place.
Wait, I think we're getting close, Chad.
Yeah.
Yeah, pull over.
Pull over here. All right, V, let's go. We're here. Wait, Daniel's calling.
Daniel's calling.
Daniel, what's up?
I have some bad news. I was riding my scooter and I was trying to meet up with you guys and it ran out of electricity and now I'm stuck on the side of the road.
Shoot, dude, where are you?
I can send you my location on a text message. I don't know. It's like an abandoned desert.
Shoot, we only have one. I should go pick him up, though. We only have one seat, V.
I mean, I can wait here.
V, just be careful. I don't know what these coordinates mean, V, so if you get out, just don't do anything crazy. Be careful. Wait for me and Daniel to get back, okay?
Okay. All right. I'll wait here for you guys.
All right. See you later, V. I'll go get
Yeah.
Daniel. We'll be right back.
All right. Okay. Bye, Chad. All right, guys. I'm heading toward that structure. I know Chad said to like wait for him and Daniel to show up, but you know what? I don't know if I want to wait around. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. Oh, lid open. Okay. All right. Let's go in, guys. All right, you guys. It's really dark in here. It's really weird because it's like daylight outside, but everything in here is dark. Look at this window. When you look outside, it's completely dark. It's like they have blackout doors. Oh my gosh, it's just another mask. Wait a minute. I'm having a little deja vu moment here. I've seen this mask before. It's on a cable outlet here. You guys, me and Chad have encountered this mask before. It was hung on here like this. I know exactly where I am now. I didn't realize that this is the same room until now, but this is the room that PZ4 trapped Daniel in, and I had a little battle royale with her in here. She must be here, around here somewhere. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave this room. Let's go in here. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's something in there. It's a shirt. This is a blue polo shirt, short sleeve. Do you guys know who wears this? The pizza girl. We've seen her wear this. PZ4 is the pizza girl. See, I knew it. I knew it all along. I wonder if the PZ4 is here. All right, I'm gonna confront her right now. I'm like, this is my evidence. Just admit it. Let's see where she is in this house. All right, guys. All right, guys. I think this way is to the bathroom. Wait a minute. I think I just stepped on something. Wait, is that a Skittles? Did I just step on a Skittles? Wait, there's more Skittles. There's a purple one. Alright guys, if there's a trail of Skittles, does that mean the Skittles girl also live here? Is she partnering up with the pizza girl? Like, is the Skittles girl also a part of Zorgo member? Or are they just working together on this, like on the side? Okay, if the Skittles girl's here, and there's a whole trail leading to this door, she must be behind here. You want me to confront the Skittles girl behind here? Give this video a big thumbs up right now. Hopefully she doesn't know any like ninja skills, because I don't know how good she'll be. I mean, maybe she's gonna use the Skittles like, you know, ninja stars and like throw them at me. But yeah, let's go and confront her. Come on. Skittles girl! She's not in there. I don't think she's anywhere. There's that blue toilet again. Guys, it's me right here in the mirror. Alright, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so what's here? See, there's a Skittles box. Okay, that's really weird. The Skittles box is right here, and why is it in the bathroom? I don't know. Alright, guys. This is the last room that I remember. Chad and I were stuck behind these walls the last time, and we couldn't get through Daniel. So this time I'm gonna leave the door open so I don't get stuck in here by myself. Okay, you ready? Oh gosh, that's so weird. That door just automatically opens like that. Okay, no one's here. Okay, there's a closet. Is anyone in here? What? Who's there? Who's there? Who is that? Okay. Whoa. Is that just like a floating thing? Hey! Hey! Okay. Oh, it's just a coat. It's just a really long coat. This coat. This is the detective coat. What is going on here? Does the detective girl live here too? Is she friends with the Skittles girl and the pizza girl? Are they all living here? Oh my gosh, that means there's 3 people potentially are here in the house, and I'm by myself. I don't know if I should have gotten in here without Chad and Daniel. I mean, if they're all 3 here, I need them here with me, because I don't know, I can take out 3 of them at once. Oh gosh. I think I better leave. I'm gonna go out there and just wait for Chad and Daniel. All right, let's go. This is the way out.
We're always watching. Do this, do that. Go hack things. How's that assisting in Chad and me? They're like, yeah, it's fine with Chad. I don't have to do anymore. Just say it all.
Oh my gosh. You guys, there's definitely voices behind this door. Do you guys hear them? I hear like multiple voices right now. Do you think all 3 of them in there right now? The detective person, the Skittles girl, and the pizza girl? Oh my gosh, if they're all 3 are in there right now, that's 3 against 1. That's 3 against 1. You can do this, V. Okay, I can definitely take on 3 hackers. It's just, there's no time to be afraid. We just gotta be brave. Let's do it, Spy Ninjas. 3, 2, 1. Wait, are you here by yourself? I don't see anyone here. Are you here by yourself?
What are you doing here?
PZ4, are you here by yourself? Who were you talking to? Are you the Skittles girl, the pizza girl, and the detective?
What are you talking about?
I have evidence. I found the Skittles all over the house. I found it in the bathroom.
I like Skittles.
I found your detective coat in the closet. And I found your pizza delivery girl in the laundry. PZ4, just admit it. You're all 3 of them. You're all 3 of them. Just admit it right now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait a minute. Your mask. Why do you have it on? I thought you threw it.
I did throw it, and you Spy Ninjas took it from me, and so I took my mask back from Chad and Daniel's backpack and I glued it together.
Wait, you took it from Chad and Daniel? Are they okay?
Yes, they're fine. And I also tried looking for my other missing piece from you in your backpack, but it wasn't there, so I don't know what you did with it.
Well, I knew it was an important piece, so I actually kept it on me in my hoodie right here. This is the piece that you've been looking for.
Oh, wait. Oh, shoot.
No. What? Stand back.
That's the piece of the mask where Project Zorgo planted a tracking device.
What?
We gotta get out of here. They might find out about the safe house. Get out!
No! Okay!
Rugby, they're probably after both of us now because you brought this. Do you see them anywhere?
Okay, I don't know, but they're always watching. Oh my gosh. I don't know where they are. Let's see. Are they still behind us?
I don't see them. Come on.
Okay. You don't see them? Okay. Ah! Ah! Wait. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. PZ4, take this camera. I'm gonna show them who's boss. Now I'm mad. PZ2, come on.
What are you waiting for? Go get him. What are you doing? Go get him.
No, we only use our ninja skills for self-defense. He's not fighting me, so I'm not fighting him.
Okay, there's a lot more hackers here. We have to get away.
Okay, here, I'll take the camera.
Okay, I left something under this bridge, but go that way. They won't find you over there.
I'll meet you on top then. Okay, all right, guys. Making it to the top of the bridge here. All right, guys, I'm on top of the bridge. Where's PZ4? PZ4!